Hello my dear friend. So today we are going to solve the question. This is a lead code challenge. Okay. So the question number is 171 on the lead code. The question is Excel sheet column number. Excel sheet column number. Okay. So what is given in this problem? A string will be given with the string name will be column title. So what it will do? It will represent a column. Okay. In the Excel sheet. And what we have to do? We have to give the corresponding column number. So if A is given, so A will have the column number means 1. For B it is 2, C it is 3, for Z it is 26. Similarly AA will be 27. So like this, you have seen the Excel sheet. At the top you can see letters like this. Okay, so these are the columns. So like this, we need they will give this AB, and what we have to do, we have to return 28. Suppose if they give A, we need to return 1. For AB we need to return 28. If they give us the column title as ZY, we need to return 701. Okay, so I hope the question is clear. You can pause the video and you can try the solution by your own. Okay, so to solve this problem we are going to use a concept. So first I will tell you the concept, then we will get to know. Suppose if 321 is given to us, so how you are going to write 321? You can say that we can write like this: 300 plus 20 plus 1. This is the expanded form that we were using in the class 5th or 6th. And we can also write like this: 3 into 10 to the power 2, 2 into 10 to the power 1, 1 into 10 to the power 0. Okay, so what we have done here is, so in numbers we have from 0 to 9. So how many numbers we have? 10 numbers we have. So here we have, so if we have the range of 10, so here we have 10 with some power. Now let's see what is the relation between the length. So what is the length of 321? So how many letters are there in 321? 3. So this power is initially 2, then it is reduced, then it is reduced. It means for first character it is power is 2, then for second character power is 1. Now it is being reduced to 0. So basically what we have done is, first of all we have selected 3 and multiply with 10 to the power 2. Then we come to the second element 2, and then we have multiplied with 10 to the power 1. Then we came to the third element 1, and then we multiply with 10 to the power 0. Okay, so same concept we are going to use in our above problem. So now you can pause the video and you can think of a solution that how we are going to approach this. I am going to take the example of AB. Okay, so you can pause the video and try the solution. Suppose you choose an AB. Okay, so basically what we were doing, so first of all, what is the range? So from A to Z we have 26 letters. So here the power was with the respect to 10, but now we will have power with respect to 26. So one thing is clear to us. And second thing is, we want the numbers, right? But here character is given for us. So there is a concept called ASCII value. So ASCII value of A is 65. ASCII value of B is 66. Okay, like this the numbers will increase. So if you know that ASCII value of A is 65, it is predefined. So if you want for A number as 1, so what you can do, from this ASCII value if you subtract 64, you will get value as 1. So you can say that for A you will get output as 1, and for B you will get output as 2. Similarly for the rest of the numbers. It means first of all you need to find the ASCII value of this number, then you need to subtract, and then we will get our this digit. Perfect. So in Python we are going to use ORD. So what it will do, it will return the value. So ORD of A will be 65. So we will write logic like this: ORD of A minus 64. Perfect. So it will give us the value as, suppose 1. It will give value as 1 for A. Perfect. Now we have got that number is 1. We have got the value that it should be 26 to the power 1 less than the length. So here what is the length of AB? Length of AB is 2. So 26 into, sorry, first of all what we need the value for this A. Okay, So AB will be, A value is 1 into 26 to the power length minus 1. Then what is the value of B? 2 into 26 to the power 0. So it will be 26 plus 2, 28. And yes, this was given in the question. So they have written Z and Y. Let us see we are getting 701 or not with the same concept Z and Y. So first of all, what I told you, we need to find Z. So how we are going to find Z? So ORD of Z minus 64. So ORD of Z will be, if you are going to solve this, you are going to get value as 26. So 26 multiply by, this is the number. Now 26 to the power length minus 1. So what is length? 2, 2 minus 1, 1. Then y will be 25. Now 26 to the power 0. So here, first of all, what we have to do? We have to find 26 into 26. Okay. So if you are going to multiply them, 26 into 26, I think you are going to get value as 676. And if you are going to 26 to the power 0 will be 1. So in this, if you are going to add 25, so I think you are going to get value as 701. Okay, so let us check whether it is 7. Yes, it is correct. And this concept is also applicable on 3-digit number. 3-digit, 4-digit, 5-digit, any number it is applicable. Suppose this is the number. Okay, so what you will do, first of all, you will find the value of Z. Z is 26 into 26, length is 3, so 2. So next is A, 1 into 26 to the power 1, and then B, 2 into 26 to the power 0. You will get your final answer. So we got the logic that how we have to write the code. So what we will do, we will traverse each element. First of all, we will find the value of the element, then we will multiply with the power, and then we will do the additions. Okay, so this is the concept. Now you can pause the video and you can try to write the solution by your own. Okay, so I hope you have written the code by your own. Let us try to debug this. Let's say it is ABC. So what is answer? Initially answer value is 0. What is P? P is for power. So what is length of column? It is 3. So P value will be 2. Okay. So what we have done, we will traverse each letter in this call. So first of all, it will be A. So what will be the digit? Digit will be 65 minus 1, 64. D is 1. So initially answer value is 0. So 0 plus digit is 1 multiply by 26 to the power 2. Okay. So in answer we will have this. Now what will happen? Power will be reduced by 1. So power now will become 1. Now we will again calculate for the second element. For B, digit value is 2. So what we will do? Here we will add. So 2 into 10 to the power is reduced. So 26 to the power 1. Then what we will do? We will come to the third element. So digit is 3 now. So 3 into 26 and the power is also reduced, 26 to the power 0. So what will be the solution? 26 square, 26 into 252 plus 3. Okay. So 26 square is going to be 676 plus 52 plus 3. You will get your final answer. Okay. So this is the code. The same way I explained you, I have written the same code in the same way. Okay. There are some other ways also to write the code. I will explain you the code I have written in the other way also. So for that you can just check out this screenshot. So what I have done, I have tried to write the code and I have compiled it, and you can see this is working fine in the LeetCode. Okay. And if you want to see the other pattern, so other pattern to write the code is this one. So here you can see answer is initially 0. So here what we have done all the thing in one step only. So here we were calculating the digit, then we were adding in the answer. Okay, we were using the concept of power. Here what I have done, I have traverses the string and I try to find the solution. Okay, let us write the solution also and we will see how this is working. Okay. Okay, so this is the one line code and then we will return the solution. Suppose call is given to us as mn. Perfect. So first of all, answer is initially 0. So answer will be 0 plus ORD of I. This is first element. So first of all, what we are going to do, we are going to find ORD of m. Okay, so ORD of M, I think it is going to be, the letters are going to start from 65. So A value is for 65 and then we will have the numbers. Okay, so it is 77. So 77 minus 64. Okay, you are going to get something answer. Okay, so if you are going to subtract, here you are going to get value as 3, here you are going to get value as 1. Now answer is updated. Now we will come to the second element n. So what will happen? Answer will be 13 multiply by 26 plus ORD of n. I think it's going to be one letter more. 78 minus 64. Perfect. Now you have to do the calculation. I think you can do it by your own. Okay, so what you have to do? You have to multiply 13 with 26. So you are going to get value as 338, and then you have to solve this, and I think here you are going to get value as 12, sorry 14, and then you can add and you can find your solution. So these are the two ways that are working fine. I hope this concept is clear to you. What is the concept we have used? We have used the concept that we have studied in class 4th or 5th, that 321 can be written like this. Then we have used the concept of 10 to the power and we have got to our solution. So we have done the same thing. We have tried to find the pattern. Okay, so whenever you see such type of question, try to observe the pattern and try to remember this pattern and recall the pattern. Okay, thank you.